Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Severson. I teach physics. Okay. We're going to charge up the styrofoam negative, just like the balloon. We're going to use fur to do it. Okay. And then we're going to be able to move around the charges in the plate. Are we moving the protons, yes or no? No. Are we moving the electrons, yes or no? Yes. Okay. So we're going to be able to move the electrons. So if I put this pie plate on this styrofoam, the negative styrofoam is going to push the electrons up to the edge of the pie plate. Okay, so they're going to get pushed up to the edge of the pie plate, and then they're going to want to get pushed away from there. See if you can hear it. You ready? I could hear it. Could you hear that tiny, tiny little spark? Okay, I got the electrons. So now, if I touched where these electrons are and the electrons came to me, the wall would be positive. I touched the edge where the electrons were getting pushed to. I got the electrons. Now the pie plate is positive. It's positive. And you can tell because there's actually like a bit of a pull between the negative and the positive. You'll get to check this out. But now this is going to be positive. I can give it electrons back by grounding it. So I'm going to touch it again and you should be able to hear it. Oh, you heard it? Okay. I was giving it electrons and now it's neutral. Okay, so now it's neutral again. But I could charge, I could take this neutral thing, this negative styrofoam can repel the electrons, and the electrons are getting pushed up to the edge, and then I can touch it again. I'm going to show you a couple of demos with it, but that's the big idea.
Ms. Severson, why does the styrofoam get electrons? Where do they come from? Why are they there?
The electrons came from the fur, and the styrofoam is more of an insulator, so once you put electrons on there, they stay there. We are not giving electrons from the styrofoam to the pie pan. We are using the negative styrofoam to push the electrons in the pie pan farther away so that we can then get the electrons to go.
So it's just like the balloon in the back.
Can you imagine that we would tell you things twice? It is. Okay. Beautiful.